Friends, teachers and respected director sir. I am Hanvika. I am Harsha. We are here to anchor and lead the assembly on behalf of 7th section. As we all know, it is good to start the day with devotion and prayer for our well-being. So I would like to call my friends forward and start the day with a prayer song. It is time for us to motivate ourselves with a thought. Let's call Lakshmi Chaitra forward and see if she can motivate us with her thought.
Lakshmi Chaitra from Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am here to say thought. Thought. Every day you wake up is a chance to change your story. No matter how hard yesterday was, today is a new beginning. Believe yourself because someone out there believes in you too. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Day brings confidence in our communication. Let's call Adya and see what she wants to teach us. Happy morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Adya from Grade-VII Topaz. Word, resilience. It spells as RESILIENCE. Friends, please spell after me. Resilience. It spells as RISILIENCE. Resilience. Meaning, resilience means strong enough to think. Thank you. Gather forward and update us with international and national news.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Sigandar. Now I am here to say national and international news. International news. Canada reduces international students permits for second year. National news. Stabbed at Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj leaves dozens fear dead. Thank you.
I would like to call my friends Rinat to update us with state and sports news.
Happy morning everyone. Myself Srinath from Grade-VII Topaz, here to say state and sport news. State news. Telangana government plans to establish 2 news it parks in Hyderabad. State news. England wins T20 International against India by 26 runs in Rajkot. Thank you.
Now it is time for us to listen to a speech prepared by Faisal on the topic of perseverance.
Happy morning everyone. I am Faisal from Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am here to tell a speech. Today I want all you present here to think about this statement. I am gonna state every great person was admired once a student, just like you and me. They didn't start knowing everything or being the best. They started believing in themselves and working hard every single day. My friends, you don't have to be perfect in the beginning. You have to have it all right now. What matters is your effort and your attitude. Of course, challenges will come, but remember, they are not here to stop you. They are here to make you stronger. My dearest friends, dream big and take small steps. You don't have to compare your journey with anyone else because you are writing your own story. It's going to be very difficult and incredible. Greatness begins with belief and grows with effort. Shines through every challenge you overcome. Thank you.
If we are ready enough for another speech, the topic here is why we should not equate from journey. Let's see how Asini wants to motivate us.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Asini from Grade-VII Topaz. Today I want to talk on why we should not quit from the journey. Life isn't it so easy. Sometimes we fall. It feels like the end. But those moments of failure only we get more stronger. Remember, falling down does not define you. Getting back up defines who you are. So when life knocks you down, remember this. Every downfall is a perfect time to rise again, stronger, determined than ever. Thank you.
Now come a story of a humble person called David. Are we all ready to listen to a story? If yes, let's call Geeta forward and tell the story.
Happy morning. My name is Geeta. Today I am going to say how, how important is it to be humble. By a small story. There lived a shepherd. His name is David. You know, a shepherd duty is to take sheep out, uh, wait till evening falls, and bring back sheep out to home. The time of his the time of his wait, he used to write songs for God, and he used to sing for and also pray for God that he should he should God asking God that he should be beside him. Uh, and David had 6 brothers. They were rich and strong. David was very humble because he did not ask God for wealth, and he did not ask for strength, and he did not ask for knowledge, but he asked God to be beside him. David had 6 brothers. They were very rich and strong. Few were working for the king. One day, suddenly, the king of the palace died. Then a great person of God come to David's house to choose a to choose a person as a king. Then 6 brothers came friend. They were not selected, but David was selected because David was very close to God and he was very humble. Uh, my dear friends and teachers, I want to say one thing. If we be humble, we shall rule the world. It means if we be it means humble. If we be humble, then we will rule the world. Thank you.
My friend Haricharan has some GK questions for you all. Would you like to answer him? If yes, then let's see if you can answer or not.
Happy morning everyone, I am Haricharan of Grade-VII Topaz. Now I brought GK questions. Question for Grade-VI. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is hummingbird. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-VII. Which country produces large coffee in the world? I repeat it again. Which country produces large coffee in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Brazil. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. Which is the largest organ in our body? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is skin. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. Which country is called land of 1,000 lakes? Lakes.
Land of 1,000 lakes.
I repeat it again. Which country is called land of 1,000 lakes? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Finland. Open questions for all. Which planet has more moons in our solar system? I repeat it again. Which planet has more moons in our solar system? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Saturn. Let us appreciate them. Students, what do teachers expect from us? I repeat it again. Students, what do teachers expect from us? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is respect. My friends, let's learn to respect our teachers for their dedication. Thank you.
Assembly, but let us not forget being perseverance and perseverance, and being. Let's not forget why we should not quit the journey. Let's not forget humble David was finally. Let's not forget respect the teachers. Thank you.